Learn English easily.
My typical day in life. Hello, my name is Willow, and I live in a big city full of noise, where everyone is busy chasing their dreams. I am a college student. I am studying to get a degree in engineering. This is a tough subject that needs a lot of hard work, and is all about coming up with new ideas and solving difficult problems. But my life is about more than just school and homework. I must manage a lot of things at the same time. Every morning, the alarm clock goes off, telling me it is time to start a new day. It always feels too early. Outside, the sun would just be starting to light up the sky. I lived in an apartment with friends from different places around the world. One friend might bring out spices that smell like far-off markets, and another play music that sounds from another continent. Even though we are from different places, we share the apartment, dreams, and challenges. We all are living far from our home countries, which has made us stick together even more. We help each other with practical things, like figuring out bills or fixing something in the apartment, but we also share our hopes and worries. We all wanted to make the most of our chances in this new country. Living with people from different backgrounds, I learned a lot about the world. It is not always easy to understand each other perfectly, because of language or cultural differences. But these challenges made our friendship stronger. We learned to be patient and to listen, realizing that even though our lives had started in different places, we shared many of the same goals. My morning started with this mix of friendship and the rush to get ready for school. I grabbed something quick to eat, maybe something one of my roommates has made, and then I will be off to my engineering classes, carrying my heavy backpack, filled with textbooks and my laptop. Even though the day ahead is sometimes going to be full of tough classes and lots of studying, I feel lucky to have a home that feels like a little piece of the world, right there in the bustling city. I also have a notepad where I write down everything important from my part-time job at a cafe. This notepad has all sorts of notes and reminders in it, a real mix of my busy life. The walk to my university doesn't take long, but it's an important time for me. It's when I get my mind ready to switch from being at home, relaxed and comfortable, to being at school, where I need to focus and work hard. I think about what I am going to learn that day, and what projects I need to work on. Classes for me are both exciting and tiring. Studying engineering is tough, because there's so much to learn and do. I have to deal with a lot of homework, and projects that never seem to end. But even though it's hard, I love it. I get a real kick out of solving difficult problems. When I figure out something tough, it feels like I am unlocking a secret of how things work, using math and science to make ideas turn into real things. In between my classes, I am usually busy with my laptop open in front of me. I might be working on an assignment that's due soon or trying to catch up on a lecture I missed. This time is super important because it helps me stay on top of my schoolwork. I am always trying to keep everything balanced, juggling my studies, my part-time job, and my life at home with my friends. It's not easy, but I am determined to make it all work. As the sun begins to set, turning the sky into a blend of orange and purple, my day is far from over. I quickly leave my university and head to the cafe where I work part-time. This cafe is a small, warm place squeezed between much larger buildings, but it has a charm that makes it special. Inside, the smell of fresh coffee fills the air, mixing with the sound of people talking and laughing. This place is more than just a job for me. It's where I learn different kinds of lessons that my engineering classes don't teach. At the cafe, I practice being patient, especially during busy hours, when the line seems endless, and everyone wants their coffee now. I learn the importance of hard work, staying on my feet for hours, taking orders, making coffee, and cleaning up. But maybe the most important lesson is how to manage to do many things at once. I have to keep track of orders, make sure customers are happy, and do it all quickly and with a smile. This job is crucial for me because it helps pay my bills and makes life a little easier, financially speaking. But it's also a place where I find peace. I meet all kinds of people here, each with their own life stories and challenges, reminding me that everyone is fighting their own battles. After my shift at the cafe, when most people might be getting ready for bed, my night is still busy with university assignments. I go back home, where we roommates turn our living room into a study hall. Even though we're studying different subjects, we help each other out. We share what we know and learn from each other's cultures, and sometimes we just share a good laugh. These moments of fun are important because they help break the tension and stress of our hard study schedules. Our nights often stretch late, with books and laptops open, until the early morning. We are all working toward our dreams, supporting each other along the way. It's tough, and we're often tired, but knowing we are not alone in this makes everything a bit easier to handle. My days are long, and my responsibilities are many, but I am learning, growing, and making the most of my college years, one busy day at a time. When the weekend arrives, I feel a bit more relaxed, but my schedule is still packed. On Saturdays, I don't get to take a break. Instead, I dedicate this day to studying hard, working on group projects, or sometimes, if I am really lucky, catching up on some much-needed sleep. Saturdays are about pushing through the workload, trying to get ahead, or at least not falling behind. But Sundays are different. Sundays are special in my apartment. This is the day when everyone slows down a bit. We roommates take turns cooking meals from our home countries. The kitchen fills with the smells of spices and dishes that tell stories of places far away. It's a time for us to share a piece of where we come from and to teach each other about our cultures through food. We sit around the table, enjoying the meals and sharing stories from our past, our families, and our traditions. These moments are a vivid reminder of how diverse we all are, but also how similar. Despite coming from different corners of the world, we find common ground in our shared experiences and dreams. This routine of hard work during the week, and a blend of study and cultural exchange on the weekends, becomes a rhythm for me. Studying engineering is tough. It demands a lot of time, energy, and brain power. And working at the cafe adds another layer of responsibility. But I keep going, powered by my own will, and supported by the friendship and understanding of my roommates. We all know what it's like to juggle school, work, and life in a new country. We're in this together, sharing the burdens and the victories. This journey we're on is not easy. There are nights when I wonder if I can really do all this, when the stress seems too much and the sleep too little. But then there are moments of success, like taking a test, finishing a project, or just enjoying a Sunday meal with my friends, that remind me it's all worth it. These are the times that fuel my determination to keep pushing forward and to keep balancing everything. My story is more than just about getting a degree or working a job. It's about growing, learning, and building a life through all the challenges and joys that come my way.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.